Hey guys, welcome to my channel The Canvas. Thanks for clicking on this video. This is a beginner tutorial video for today. As I already mentioned in a discussion, that I will be posting a series of video which will be for beginners. These will be tutorials with tutorial videos. These will not be time lapses, so that all of you who are beginners can learn and practice new tips and tricks which I will be going to share and which I use while painting. So these will be a series of very easy but at the same time a very beautiful artworks. So brace yourselves and grab your paint and just go ahead with your brush, start painting. Just glide your brush through the canvas and just have the patience. Patience is something which is a very important ingredient while you are painting. So yeah, be patient and wait for the result of the painting. So here, this is an abstract painting which I am painting right now. Here I am giving a background of green and yellow. I think I forgot to mention, this is an acrylic painting tutorial. This one is in acrylics. I'll be posting beginner tutorials, the series both in acrylics also and in oils also. So the first one is in acrylics. So here I am applying a very simple background of forest which is in green and yellow. You can add even more colors, multiple colors. You can give any twist of your own to this painting or to any painting you are working on right now. So I will be just applying green and yellow here and there to give a blurred look of trees behind, because here we'll be focusing more on the foreground which is in front. Though it's an abstract painting, so it will be nothing realistic, but yeah, I am personally focusing on the foreground, so I will have a blurred background. I've used a lot of water while I was painting the background to give the blurred effect. Now as you can see, I have started painting the peacock, and also to inform you guys that the materials which I have used in this painting are very simple, and they are not very high profile or high quality material. These are very simple resources which I have used, so that everybody who are starting with painting, who are just beginners, they can easily purchase these. These are very inexpensive material which I am using. For example, this brush is a very local brand brush. Anybody can consider any brush, when they are starting, when they are just beginners. So all the materials which I have used are very inexpensive and easily available materials, so that everybody can find them easily around them. And also I would like to add to that right now I'm painting in my sketchbook only, which is just 140 GSM paper. So you need not to rush for canvases right away. If you are a beginner, start away with acrylics. I think acrylics is the best medium to start with, and don't go for canvases right now. Just paint on paper, and when you think that you can now paint on canvases, your painting is that decent to be on canvases, because canvases can be really expensive sometimes. So first consider paper, a sketchbook or normal paper, and if you still want a little thick one, you can easily buy a more GSM paper that is very easily available in the market. Or if you don't want to go for canvases, there are also acrylic paper, which is also something like canvases, but they are like actually like paper which are suitable for acrylic painting. So you can go for that if you are not looking up for canvases. And the brand of acrylic colors which I am using is Camlin. I am not sponsoring it, I am just saying just as information so all of you guys can easily find out. And also I have used like this orange color which I am using right now is from Fevicryl brand because the set of 10 colors which is in bottles, because I didn't had orange color in tube, so I used that. So just wanted to say these are all very simple materials, these are very easily available, so there should not be any panic situation for beginners just for selecting their art supplies, you know. So here I am not focusing much on the realistic effects or features of the peacock. I'm just doing anything with my colors. That's what is the beauty of abstract painting. For this reason only I thought that the first video of this series must be an abstract painting, so that the artists, the beginners who are the budding artists right now can also freely move their hands, and there should not be any foundation on them for giving realistic effects. So abstract painting is the best to begin with, that too a very easy one which looks very beautiful like this one. Also you can use many references which are available on the internet, and you can have your own references by clicking photos. I usually use references which are royalty free on internet. There are many websites which offer royalty free references for your paintings, so you can check them out. I would be making a separate video on references in future. Here I am giving little details, very easy details with a small round brush, just some spots here and there. Here, as I mentioned, that it's an abstract painting, so you can easily see there's no rule of light and shadow that I have applied here. There's nothing like that. There is constant color on the peacock. There's nothing like this is the lighter portion, this is the darker portion, these are the shadows. This is what makes it an abstract painting. There are no rules, there are no limitations. So it becomes the best way of painting to learn new experiences, to have new experiences when you are a beginner. My next video will be up soon. I've already shot that video. I'll be editing it very soon and I'll upload that. That will probably on oils. That will be the again a basic tutorial which will be on oils. This one is in acrylics and that one will be in oils. Probably if there's no any technical glitches while I'm uploading it. So the next video will probably be that. That is also a very beautiful landscape painting, I would like to say. That will be a very easy but at the same time very beautiful and very serene landscape painting which I will be uploading very soon. Here I just had a idea of the legs of a bird. There is nothing specific about the features of peacock. I just had an idea of a usual bird features in my mind, and I just painted it. I incorporated a figure of peacock, color of peacock, because that is one of my favorite birds. I love peacocks, they're very beautiful. Otherwise, I have just incorporated the basic usual features of birds. There's nothing specific, so don't think it is a peacock, although I had colored the way peacock is, but it is just a usual bird. As I explained, it's an abstract painting, so there's nothing realistic. Now here I just grabbed white on my brush and the tip of the brush and just put it on the eye, so to give it a nice effect. So yeah, this is complete. This is a beautiful, very easy painting. I hope you liked it, and stay tuned if you want to look to some such paintings. These are very beautiful and easy painting. Like, share, comment and subscribe, and do share this with your art friends. Thanks for watching. Happy painting.